Hello. What's up? I'm here. Hi. I meant to get rid of this. Anyway, hi. I don't know. It's Friday evening. Is Wisp here? Is Wisp here? I loaded the game, and I was like getting antsy because I was like, man, I want to look for Wisp, but it's not 7. I figure I should wait until it's 7 before I load the game, so I went on characters 2 through 7 instead today. I only have to switch once, just because I was like, I was sitting here waiting just for a couple minutes. I'm like, it's 6:45, or sorry, 6:55. I'll just wait until 7, I guess. I don't know. But I don't think he's here. I keep trying to find this guy, and it doesn't seem to work. Which is okay, I suppose. It's not great, obviously, but could be better, could be worse. Hey, can I get another dirty tank top in white right now? Oh, it's a sloppy table. Never mind. Let's go. Woo! Sorry. That was exciting. Was not expecting that. Sloppy table, by the way. I don't have one. Let's go. That's exciting. That's actually really exciting. You know, I've been talking about the cop-out route because, you know, I say, oh, I need blah, blah, blah. Oh, the cucumber horse is back. That means the eggplant thing is also around. There should be pink, I think. I just want to double check. But yeah, I've always talked about the cop-out route because, like, before I was like, well, if I can't customize something myself, then I need to get, like... Oops, I did not go to the right letter. What was I thinking of? Anyway, I was, like, saying if I can't customize something myself, I have to, get a bunch of them. And this one I customized all of them, but I actually only have, like, what? I have 2? I think I have 2? Sink I actually have a lot of. Sofa I have 3. And the table I have the pink one. So that's cool. I haven't actually marked off the bed because I'm only marking out the ones that I have like enough of, you know, because I'm like, it's a whole thing, right? So sloppy table in pink. That's the first one. That means I have almost. For a second, I thought those pants were the ones I need. I don't think they are. I don't think there's a green one. Anyway, I still need the nearly busted radio. I don't actually have any of those. These are corduroys, so I don't need those. Don't need anything there either. Alright. Well, hey, sloppy table, that's a big win. That's actually really cool. And crazier is that I had a item in the bin yesterday, and it was one of the exclusives. That's actually nuts. 2 days in a row where I got those things? Crazy, for sure. The nicest part is that I don't actually have to go and customize this thing today because it's the only one I have. Genji, what are you thinking about? I don't want to change it up. Sorry, Genji. Just because I don't remember what you call me right now. I don't want to mess with that. Alright, do we think Blair is crafting, or Goldie, or Peanut, or who? I don't know. I knew it was none of the people on the right. I love how I'm like actively looking for Wisp, and it's just like, nope. You know, like big nope. I don't know. Alright, so we got sloppy table. We got that, which is good. I don't know why I did a weird little loop, but did that. Okay, so I got the recipes from the beach, right? Did I? No, I didn't. I'm confused now. Sloppy table, keep that. The other stuff is junk. I don't think I got the no, I didn't. I didn't get the recipe yet. I got mixed up there for a second. Okay, so I got the recipe from Peanut, who's crafting. CJ's here, which doesn't matter. There was nothing in the Able Sisters. Wisp is not here. And something else, wasn't there? Yeah, I almost forgot this. Wow, I am on the ball as always, hey? Jail bars. Okay. I think we're good then. The fact that we get the sloppy table, very nice though. I'm actually pretty happy about that. And yes, I know I said I would put those away sometime this week. Still could happen. Still could happen tomorrow, maybe. Maybe over the weekend I could do that. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna go fly over to the DLC. I've got the sloppy table put away, which is good. Can't accidentally sell that right now, unless I take it out and then accidentally sell it, but like, let's not do that. Very happy about that though. Like I said, 2 days in a row. Some pretty crazy luck, considering that I feel like I never get these things. I should have 3 of the checkered school pants in the store today. That would be super cool. I'd really love that. Oh, you know, the 2 new ones plus the pink ones or whatever. Let's just have that, please. So I don't have to worry about them ever again. And then Wisp will show up 3 days in a row, and he'll give me the last 3 items. Love it. What a nice reality that would be. Definitely not gonna happen, though. I can tell you that much. Alright, so as usual, we have a bunch of skirts, we've got sweatpants, we've got chain pants, and then we've got more sweatpants. And that's it. Alright, so as I said, I only have 1 character to switch to. I will do that now. Maybe we'll get something, I doubt it. And I'll be back on tomorrow afternoon sometime, maybe. I'm tired. Oh well. Okay. Like, yep. Sorry. I'm gonna grab this thing and then I'm gonna leave. So nothing to report today. No recipes, unless I get one right now, right this very second. Full inventory, which I'll have to sell, I guess now. Nope, nothing. Great. We did get the bamboo speakers. What I just picked up. We got the floppy table. I've said this so many times already in the past 10 minutes, basically. But that's real cool. Really happy about that. That's it's pretty big because I don't have any of those yet. Realistically speaking, I could customize it all to all 8, and then my catalog would be full, but I wouldn't have them all, which is like one of my own rules that I created. And I don't really like that rule with those things because it's like purely luck and there's nothing I can do to influence it, which is never fun. So I'm not sure how I want to deal with that. But I'll figure it out somehow. I'm gonna just sell all this stuff. Anyway, I'll probably be on tomorrow afternoon. Could be early afternoon or late morning, I'm not sure yet. And we'll do the same thing, and things will be great. Yep, okay. And then Sunday night stream, yep. Alright, bye!